Imagine creating professional studio-quality videos just by typing a keyword, pasting a URL, or even using your voice. Sounds crazy, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new AI tool called VidForce AI that claims to do exactly that, and I'll also show you how you can get it with some exclusive bonuses. Problem and agitation. Let's be honest, creating videos is hard. You need editing skills, expensive software, voiceovers, scripts, and a lot of time. And if you're trying to grow on YouTube or do affiliate marketing, this becomes a huge problem. Intro to product. This is where VidForce AI comes in. It's a brand new AI-powered platform that can turn any idea, URL, blog post, keyword, or even voice command into a complete video automatically. Core features. Here's what makes it interesting. Create videos from keywords, blogs, or websites. Generate AI voiceovers that sound human. Add music, effects, and subtitles automatically. Create content in 100 languages. No editing skills needed. Works 100% in the cloud, without software. Basically, it's designed for beginners and marketers who want fast content. Monetization angle. You can use this tool to start a faceless YouTube channel, create content for clients, promote affiliate products, or sell videos as a service. And since it comes with a commercial license, you can actually make money with it.
Basically, in this video, we're going to go through a full demo together in just a few minutes. But before we do that, I want to quickly let you know that you'll find the link to VidForce AI down in the description below, along with my exclusive bonus page. You can see my bonus page on screen now. These bonuses are not something you'll find anywhere else. I've personally created them to help you get the absolute best results with VidForce AI. So let me show you what you're getting. The first bonus is AI Video Prompts Pack. This powerful collection helps you create high-converting videos in minutes, even if you have zero experience. Just copy, paste, and let AI do the magic. No brainstorming, no struggle, no wasting time. Bonus number 2, Faceless YouTube Automation Course. Learn how to run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face. From idea to monetization, this step-by-step course shows you exactly how to create consistent videos and generate income without hiring editors or actors. Grab it now and start your Faceless channel today. Bonus number 3, Premium Video Editing Assets Pack. Get ready to use intros, transitions, overlays, and effects that instantly make your videos look professional. No editing skills needed, just drag, drop, and impress your audience. Add it to your toolkit today and make every video shine. Bonus number 4, Top 20 AI Tools Bundle. This hand-picked collection includes the best AI software for content creation, automation, and marketing, all with direct download links. Save time, boost productivity, and leverage AI to grow your business faster than ever before. Grab your bundle now before it's gone. Bonus number 5, Step-by-Step Money-Making Guide. This guide walks you through proven methods to earn online, from setting up your first project to scaling it into real income. Perfect for beginners and pros alike. Just follow the steps and take action today. Don't miss this essential roadmap. And last one is all vendor bonuses. We've collected every extra bonus from the vendors, so you get maximum value with your purchase. Everything is ready for you to use and implement, giving you an edge over everyone else. Check the description to claim all these exclusive bonuses.
We will see the demo of the product.
Did you know videos are everywhere? On social media, ads, emails, even news articles. Everything contains a video. Big giant companies like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and even Google all leverage videos heavily now. They know how powerful and profitable they are. Every month, videos produce billions and billions in revenue and make more millionaires than email ever did. But creating a video is not easy, at least a good one that gets results. Sure, big companies can afford that, but we can't. If you want to hire a video editor to create videos for you, it'll cost you on average $500 to $1,000 for just a 1 to 2 minute video. Not to mention hustle of dealing with a bunch of freelancers. And doing it yourself is insanely hard. Imagine having to spend months learning new apps like After Effects, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, and more. It's a nightmare, right? But what if I told attention-grabbing videos like the one you're watching right now? In 60 seconds flat, without learning fancy new software and without hiring anyone to help you, yes, you can create videos, explainers, animations, VSLs, and more in less than a minute. With zero experience and with zero technical skills. How easy. We leveraged an insanely powerful AI model to do all the work for us. It allows us to turn any URL, blog, text, article, prompt, or scripts, basically anything, into sexy videos like this. All without us doing anything. Of course, we can easily customize them or personalize them if we want, but without those complicated dashboards like the normal video editing apps you see every day, AI does it for us too. We just tell AI what we want to edit, and it does it for us, giving us stunning videos in less than a minute, and not just any videos, and stuffing our account with big fat commissions. Introducing VidForce AI, the world's AI app that turns any URL, blog, website, text, article, or prompt into studio-quality videos in multiple languages in just 60 seconds flat. All without learning any new apps, writing video scripts, being on camera, buying expensive software, hiring video editors, spending hours trying to figure it out, any tech or past experience, paying any monthly fees. None of that. VidForce AI allows us to skip all of that. Everyone needs VidForce AI, even if you don't own a business. It's an essential app that you can't miss not having in your arsenal. Do you know why? Because people will pay you thousands of dollars to create videos for them also. Take a look at this. Those are people on Fiverr offering to create basic videos for hundreds of dollars. Fiverr. Imagine if you come in with professional and stunning animations, you will eat that market. And this is not guessing. We do it. We get clients on a daily basis begging us to create videos for them. We charge them anywhere from $497 to $997 for 57 seconds of work. Insane, right? I'm sure by now you're wondering how much it'll cost you, right? Look, I'm going to be honest with you. We should be charging thousands of dollars for this. It's the only app in the market that does exactly what it promises, if not more. It allows us to explode our business without paying for ads, paying for apps, or even spending time working. So here's the deal. We will offer you VidForce AI at an insanely low one-time fee. But that's not all. By clicking the button below, you will also unlock access to our custom-made bonuses that will fast-track your results. These bonuses alone are worth at least $997, but you will get it today for 100% free. And if you're still worried, don't be. We removed all the risks from your end. You are protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee if, for any reason, you don't think VidForce AI is worth its weight in gold. So, why are you waiting? Go ahead, click on the button below, and unlock unlimited buyers and traffic with our VidForce AI videos. Plus, our bonuses pack over $997. There's nothing to lose. Go ahead and take action now.
Let's talk about pros and cons of the product. Pros. VidForce AI is an all-in-one video creation tool. It can turn keywords, blogs, or URLs into videos instantly. No editing skills are required. It's very beginner-friendly and easy to use. It supports over 100 languages. Everything works in the cloud, no installation needed. It saves a lot of time and effort. You also get a commercial license to earn money. Cons. The front-end version has many limitations. Most powerful features are locked behind upgrades. The video quality can feel a bit generic. It is not suitable for professional-level editing. You still need some manual adjustments. It requires internet, no offline use. Now, let's talk about their pricing. VidForce AI starts at a very low price of around $17 for the front end, giving you access to the core features. However, there are several optional upgrades that unlock unlimited usage and more advanced tools. You can also get agency rights to sell accounts and even reseller rights to keep 100% of the profits. So while the entry cost is low, the real power comes with the upgrades. When you get access through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonuses designed to help you start faster and actually make money with this. But keep in mind, this is a limited time launch offer, and the price can increase anytime.
So if you're interested, click the link below and secure your access before it's gone. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any future reviews. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.